Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a list. So I'm going to call this insert list entry. And we're going to insert something into this list at a certain position. So I'm going to create the list. My list is equal to Bill. I'm just going to populate it with a few names here. Joe, Paul. So we're going to print the original list first. Call it list before. So this is going to be the list before, and this is my list. Okay, and we're going to create some input for the user. So the user is going to input an entry into this list. So this is going to be input here, and then simply entry. Oops. Okay, and the index, should be equal to, the index is going to be equal to input, which is going to be index position. Okay. Right, so now we get my list dot insert index and entry 1. Okay, so now we're going to print the after results of that, so we can see how the list has been updated. So this is going to be after. My list. Okay, and I'm going to just type insert list entry here, so we can do this multiple times instead of having to keep restarting the program. Now all we have to do is call it insert list entry and save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so that's the list entry before. Now we're going to insert another entry. I'm going to call the entry X. I'm going to insert X at position 0, so it should come at the beginning of the list. Whoops, what's happened there? Let's check this out. Okay, a little bit of a typo there. Insert. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, so entry X, I'm going to insert it at position 0. It should come at the beginning of the list. Oh dear, what's happened there? Unusual this. Okay, I forgot to put, because we're dealing with numerics here, I forgot to put int import. So let's just check this out. Let's try that again. Okay, so X position 0. There we go. So it's been put in at position 0. Let's put Y at position 0, 1. Position 1. Okay, so we've got we've got Y at position 1 there. Okay, and we've got C at position 2. Okay, so 0, 1. Oh, there we go. There it is. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I'll catch you in another video. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button below. Catch you later.